I had no experience of using Unity before I started the bootcamp. I had never coded using C# before, using that language. I had no concept about designing or 3D modeling, and I also had no concept of prototyping a virtual reality concept. But now I've recently been employed for Microsoft, and
I'm really excited because the next step is I've got a video of my dance in 360 degrees, and Taran has said that I can put it onto the computer, which we're downloading right now, so this is why I'm so excited. You can put it onto the computer, and then I'm going to put on the headset and be immersed back into that class, and I'll be able to look around and see everything that's going on.
But also, I think it's estimated in 2026 that the VR global industry would exceed about 100 billion. So I thought, you know what, why not get a piece of that pie?
The project was pretty challenging and involved a lot of trial and error. And problem solving to complete it, but I persevered with it with lots of support and was able to create a fully functional game.
Super proud. I cannot take the glory for this. He has to go all the time. And his team, and also for everyone to be working tirelessly. Well done, ladies. You should just be super proud of yourselves. Give yourself a massive.
Just join. There's nothing to lose, everything to gain, and you'll never know unless you try.